Language courses are planned responding to students' needs, likes, and wants, so that courses and programs are modified each time a new group of students intends to take a course. In that response, new methods and materials are added. This video aims to evaluate a website for language learning in 3 different aspects: its structure, accessibility, and activities promoted as part of an assignment for the subject Computer-Assisted Language Learning in the Master in English Language Teaching at Universidad Juárez Autónoma de Tabasco. Every day, new gadgets and softwares are launched to access the worldwide information with ease. And these new technologies are now part of the lives of many people. In teaching, it is necessary that programs, and especially language programs, create opportunities to incorporate the use of technology for more effective and efficient language courses. Many trials have emerged, and there are hundreds of websites to teach and support language learning. This is why teachers must be aware of the sites that he promotes on students. The website I chose, English for You, is an Austrian site designed for basic students of English as a foreign language. Its main objective is to provide practice on structures and vocabulary of the second language that may correspond to a basic level in most language courses. I believe this website was created as a supplementary material in a classroom-centered course to help students have more practice of topics taught in classroom. The use of this website would definitely complement a classroom-based course. It may support what teachers in a basic level work in classrooms. It could clarify some doubts that in everyday classes students may keep for themselves. It could be difficult for blended and independent learners in basic level to use this site for language learning. They may need more guidance of how the structures work, and they will need more exposure to context activities and more practice than just rules explanations and mechanical exercises. Besides, this site does not promote all language skills. It is based mainly in the practice of structures and some reading comprehension activities. It also lacks for a forum where visitors can ask or provide comments, doubts, and even add more explanations or suggest some other links to improve the language. In order to evaluate the website, I wrote a questionnaire. This questionnaire is made of 12 questions divided in 3 categories. Each category has 4 questions. The first category, implementation or user information. The second one is the interface design, and the third category, second language learning tasks. The first category considers a general structure of the website, taking into account the objective, the type of feedback, and the information to introduce the application. The second category deals with the accessibility of the information in the website and the appearance of the site. Finally, the third category is about the different activities promoted in the website. Hawkins and Murray in Barnes mentions that the accessibility to a website is crucial for its common use. For accessing to this website, anyone could just browse for grammar exercise and the site is given as a potential option. In fact, it is the second option provided. In this website, the user will read an introduction which establishes its aim and show the instructions about how to use the site. There are two ways in which users can see how the information is organized. The first one uses the links to the left side of the page. This list of links shows the main types of activities included. Another form of seeing the content of the site is by clicking on the sitemap button, and it will scroll a list of the language features incorporated. Language features, grammar structures, and vocabulary are not organized by lessons or units. They are presented alphabetically. Users then can choose one feature of language and at the end the application offers a check button or a grade me button so the users can see how well they did, as a way to provide feedback. The site does not require special software to surf in it, which definitely facilitates its access. It does not even require a registration form, though if the user wanted to get extra information of the updates, a simple registration format is given. As it can be seen, the website format is plain. There are not bright colors or big icons to call the user's attention. Color in the back, though simple, makes the font and icons stand out. This page is constructed to second language learners, so it may be appropriate for users who look for simplicity and effectiveness. As a counterpart, it could be said that the use of more interested icons or images in the exercises may help users to locate the information, the context, and relate information more simply. There is not any technical support for teachers and students, so if any difficulty arises, there will not be anyone who to ask for clarification. The activities presented in the website correspond to the practice of grammar and vocabulary. Most of the exercises provide clear context for language use, especially those of vocabulary in which students are situated in a specific context. The page focuses mainly on reading and the practice of grammar and vocabulary. For the promotion and development of other language skills and sub-skills, the website offers a list of links so users can complement their language learning from other sources. Considering the level of users thought for this website and taking into consideration that it seems more to be a complementary material after classroom-based instructions, it could be said that the website meet the purposes established in the welcome of the site. Communication skills are not promoted. It does not offer any other form of communication among users but Twitter. It should include a space for communication to share ideas, comments, and clarifications of any language feature. It should also promote the other language skills in the same site, instead of being looking in other pages. Referring to the strengths and weaknesses of this site, it could be said that one of the strengths of this website is the simplicity in its design. It does not use bright colors or images to call the attention, so visitors don't get distracted by looking at sparkling things. Very simple colors are used. They are very gentle to the sight. It seems very appropriate to the type of visitor it is intended to. Another aspect in which it explains grammar feature, sometimes it gives a short explanation of how they work, and sometimes it just lets students notice the grammar and then go to immediate practice. The vocabulary in the activities is simple. Charts and examples show the use or formation of the structures clearly. Another strength of this website is the willingness to make users notice the different structures by using different colors that helps to clarify and remember the information more easily. A weakness of the site is the fact that there is no explanation of the double German language it is used, so students may confuse it with some reference or else. It scarcely will fit in the first level out of 4 proposed by Hawkins. In this level, the website involves activities where learners manipulate grammar patterns in drills, matching up items, etc. In the end, it could be said that this website will perfectly suit practice of basic structures for those students who seek for more than what is given in language classrooms.